And Galage takes it quickly yet again. Gives it to his forwards. Here's Vishankar Silva. He puts the ball to boot. Here's Navodaya. Navodaya going right over. He'll go through. Dulaj Navodaya, the captain for the Peterites.
ජීවිතය ගැන ගන්න ඕන හොඳම තීරණය.
Swiss Tech Skim Court finish එකට හොඳම කෙනා. Dialogue Schools Rugby League.
We are coming to you live from the Nithawara Stadium. This is the confirmation Vidyartha College hosting Peters at
St. Peter's College team cards. Ranidhu Ridmal, the vice captain at number 1. On the front row, Januka Ranasinghe, Jehan Veerabangsa.
Janithu Aristidira, Helena Vijayatunga, Mohammad Shakik forming the front row for Vidyartha. Tamodya. Everything is set. Puts a high hanging kick. Collected by the Peterites. Takes the ball into contact.
Let's see what they got in store. Salit Galage faced the scrum.
Galage to Rahul Peter. Here's the ball to Pasidhu Bandara. Opens it up. Copybook work from the Peterites. Gains a lot of meters. Still on his feet is Pasidhu Bandara. Galage gives it to Shihara and he will go under the posts. That's the first Tamana Bank try coming in for the Peters. And it's Yumet Shihara, the number 13 for the Peterites.
Probably the easiest kick that he would take today.
Probably clear it. There you go. Not a really good pass. And that's Galage. But he has been held up. It'll be a knock-on in favor of the Peterites. But good defensive work from that oncoming two Vidyartha defenders. It's good a boot. And that's perfectly through. The hooker duties for Vidyartha. Throws in, collected, forms the row.
Well sacked by St. Peter's.
And the ball is available for Roshan Malinga and penalty being given. And it was sacked.
A quick touch taken by the Vidyartha forward. Advantage play by the referee. I'm sure it's not 10 meters. Referee will bring down the play definitely, and then St. Peter's nearly marched down to their 5 meter because they were not 10 meters when they took that. When Vidyartha took that quick tap, quick touch.
There's Tamodya. Goes through the middle. 3 points for Vidyartha. To the number 5. That's Shanuka Pereira. Here's Ranithu running in. They'll go for the pick and drops. Here the Peterites. Under the post, gives it out wide. Here's Rahul Peter to Yumet Shihara, who runs a brilliant running angle. There you go, he straightened it beautifully. And that will be the third Damana Bank try coming in for the Peterites.
Third Damana Bank try for St. Peter's, 19 points to 3. And we are almost hitting the 35th minute in our clocks. Rahul Peter takes. 100% successful in his boots. 21 points to 13 from Nithawara. Live from the papare.com and the Papare TV channel.
Beautiful outside and inside.
Readies himself, puts a high up and under. Good collection from the Vidyartha winger. There you go, this is Vishankar Silva, gives it out wide. Here's the new man, Yumet Shihara, draw and pass. Here's Praneeth Silva going past one. Here's Yumet Shihara and a lovely pass to the new man. This is the number 23. This is Aditya. Gives it to Vishankar Silva, and that will be another try coming in under the post for the Peterites. And it's that man again. The man who finishes for the Peterites, Vishankar Silva, as Rahul Peter puts another under the post. There's a player down. Goes through the blind side. Here's Vishenka Silva. He gets past a couple of players. And Gayan Pereira was right over the ball. And good work from Gayan Pereira. There you go. Penalty in favor of Vidyartha. Might have been for a high tackle as you suggested. And Garlage takes the ball into contact. Here's Ranito running across. And ball available for the Peterites. Here's the number 3 taking the ball into contact. 5 goes over. That's Shanuka Pereira.
Takes a look. Absolutely a peach of a kick, Kavin.
Taking the ball into contact, but good work. Not rolling away is the call from referee Shankar Bekon, and that's the right call. And Galage takes it quickly yet again. Gives it to his forwards. Here's Vishenka Silva. He puts the ball to boot. Here's Navodaya. Navodaya going right over. He'll go through. Dulaj Navodaya, the captain for the Peterites, untouched. It was Vishenka Silva who gave the no-look pass to Navodaya.
Here's Rahul Peter taking his 7th conversions.
And Umesh Chihara has scored 2 tries. But and here's Chihara gives it out wide to the number 22. Ball available for the Peterites. Knocks it on. Play on is the call from referee Abekun. Here's the big prop, and that's a slam. It might have been a yellow card coming in as well.
The referee Shankar Abekon is going to his pockets. I'm sure the Peterite player would be carded for that tackle.
And news down from Colombo Havelock Park is that Isipatana have won. Malinga puts the ball to boot. Here's space opening up. Dulaj Navodaya on his shoulder. Here's Pasindu Bandara, gives it out wide. Navodaya collects it. He keeps possession. He's a big man. Very hard to bring him down. Going through the blind side is the little scrum half. And he's been bundled. It's Nitusha and Mantusha. And that will be the game. The Peterites dominating 42 points to 3. And just like that, the Peterites score 7 tries and 6 conversions went through.
Unanswered. And we come to end of the first round of the Dialogue Schools Under-20 Rugby League coming.
Here's the key stats of the game. St. Peter's 42 points, 7 tries, 6 conversions, adding up to the 42 points, and just a penalty for Vidyartha.
එක පැත්තකින් වාගෙනදී තව පැත්තකින් මතුවෙනවා. මේ ටයිල් එක බෑ. දෙක තුනක් කැඩිලත් එක්ක. තමරි අක්කා.
ජීවිත කාලය පුරාම අල්ලන් ඉන්න නම් ටයිල් අල්ලන්න ඕන ස්විස් ටෙක් ටයිල් ඇඩිසිව්.
ස්විස් ටෙක් ටයිල් ඇඩිසිව් අල්ලන්න හොඳම කෙනා.